What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a beautiful 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This bike's got the charcoal denim paint. I like that color a lot. Go ahead and point out the only two little spots I found on the bike. There's a little chip right on the edge of the saddlebag lid, and there's a small one right there in the tank. Everything else looked perfect. Street Glide Special has the 6.5-inch touchscreen display with navigation. It's got the painted inner fairing. It's got cruise control, ABS brakes, factory security. It's got the Kuryakin 3-pouch setup. It's got some upgraded ape hanger handlebars. I'm guessing around 12-13 inches. Got a driver's cup holder, upgraded Harley grips, and upgraded Harley mirrors too. It's got the Harley tinted wind splitter windshield. It's got the blacked out forks. Front tire looks pretty much new. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, gave it a professional detail. It's got a 103-inch motor, 6-speed transmission. It's got the Screaming Eagle high flow breather. It's got the Vance & Hines X-Pipe, and it's got Tab performance slip-ons. Also, the bottom of the X-Pipe is kind of scraped up just from leaning it over in the corners. It's got some highway pegs installed. It's got the 4-point docking hardware, quick detach passenger backrest, luggage rack, or even a tour pack goes on there. It's got the shorty antenna, good tire on the rear. Heel toe shifter. Good looking, good running bike. All the chrome's in good shape. And it has 15,906 miles. Good sounding pipes. Also, the bike came with the race tuner, so it's got a tune on it. This is also the sock for the rain sock for the air filter. This thing runs pretty good. It's pretty quick. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.